back here at Huron Speed. I was so pumped with the way the Pistachio C8 turned out that guess what? We had to come back and I think put a set of twin turbos on a Z06 that will end up being a wide body at SEMA in less than 50 days. That doesn't seem to make a lot of sense, but I think that's what we're gonna do. I got a hold of John. John's up to the challenge. Him and his team are going to build a twin turbo system off of that Z06. We will have everything mocked up, done here. Then we'll take the car over to the carbon shop and start our bracket fitment, getting the carbon fenders fit and everything ready for SEMA. Then the car comes back to John for final fit and finish, getting our tri-tip set up, which I can't wait to see that in person come through that diffuser. It's gonna be amazing. And I also can't wait to see some turbos hanging out of the bottom of a Z06. I know we're not the first, but we gotta be in the top 10 this time. So we're gonna get the car out of the trailer, get it into John's shop and let him start working on it. And here she is, back at Huron Speed, obviously for our twin turbo that we kind of teased with in our other video. John is gonna take good care of this. I'm really excited for the plans that we have for this, including the reveal at SEMA, on top of all the other carbon in the crazy wide body stuff that we're doing. I think the turbos are gonna be the cherry on top. But with saying cherry on top, these might be it right here. These are our VS Racing mirror image turbos that are gonna be going on that Z06 that you will see at SEMA in the Gentex booth. What's that booth number? 23889. Memorize that because you ain't gonna wanna miss it, buddy. I'm gonna leave these keys here for John. John's gonna light it up for us and I can't wait to get back and see those turbos.